Is the Pinterest layout not appearing as expected? Here's how to fix it. First, check your internet connection. A weak connection can cause Pinterest layout to load incorrectly or incompletely. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if this resolves the issue. Try refreshing the Pinterest app by pulling down the screen or restarting it completely. This may resolve any layout issues you are experiencing. Update the Pinterest app to the latest version. An outdated app might cause layout problems, so make sure you are using the most recent release. Clear the app's cache to remove any corrupted files that could be causing the error. Lastly, if the issue persists, log out and log back into your Pinterest account. This simple action can often fix layout issues. Sometimes Pinterest layout problems are due to issues on the server's end. Check their official social media accounts for updates. Was this helpful? Let us know if you have fixed the layout issue. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.